we are here today because we wanted to express the commitment of the Lolas in the struggle for justice, and the family of the Lolas, which is the Pamana, which we have here today. And we would like also that through this forum, we can give the message loud and clear to the government of Japan and government of the Philippines. While we know that there is already an action taken by the Japanese government towards resolution of the Korean comfort women case, but on the part of the Filipino comfort women or victims of Japanese military sexual slavery, there is no action on the part of the Japanese government. There is no action also on the part of the Philippine government. It's very simple. We wanted the Philippine government to acknowledge that comfort women system or Japanese military sexual slavery is a war crime. They must have official position about this. And we wanted the Philippine government to recognize in history. It must be included in the history that there is the so-called comfort women system in the Philippines during World War II. The Lolas wanted from the Japanese government that the Japanese government must issue an equivocal apology, and the Japanese government must include in history the realities of the comfort women system or Japanese military sexual slavery, and they must give just compensation.
Mr. Emperor ng Japan,
Mr. Siya.
dadating ka rin lang dito sa Pilipinas. Dapat ang mga kababaihan na natagal ng biktima ng karahasan at tumanda na kami na wala kaming dangal. Dapat tugunan mo naman itong aming kahilingan. Para pag kami na mamamatay, Mr. Emperor, madala naman namin yung hostisya na hinihingi namin sa aming libingan. At ganyan ka na rin, Mr. Aquino. Mag-usap na kayo mabuti. Kasi ang mga lolang ito, hindi titigil na lumalaban hanggang hindi namin makamit ang tunay na hostisya para sa amin.
Katarungan ngayon na!